In 1942, a brave Soviet soldier named Ivan Petrovich Volkov crawled through mud and darkness to infiltrate a German camp, managing to plant a bomb on their heavily guarded supply train. Fully aware there was no escape, he seized a truck loaded with gasoline and rammed it into the enemy's supply facility, triggering a massive explosion that devastated their resources. By morning, Soviet scouts spotted him trapped but still alive among the wreckage. Refusing to abandon their comrade, his unit captured a German half-track, disguised themselves as reinforcements, and drove straight into the enemy stronghold. Once inside, they unleashed chaos, overwhelming the German guards, and in a daring display of courage, rescued their heroic brother in arms.